Careful step, madam. Welcome back aboard.
Thank you kindly.
We'll take that for you, sir. Right this way. Check the tension on the forward cable. It looks slightly worn right here.
Noted, officer. I'll log it for maintenance.
Adjust bearing slightly to starboard. Let's head for that point.
Starboard adjustment made. Steadying on the new course.
Everything seems to be in order here, Captain. The tender straps are secure.
Good. Let's verify the forward MOB stations next. Look at that view. It's absolutely breathtaking. All secure up here.
Good evening, Commander. The observation deck is wonderful tonight.
Indeed. We expect to reach the nebula by morning.
All systems stable here.
The colors are just magnificent tonight.
Catch me if you can.
Careful now, don't run too fast.
Cheers, everyone. To success.
Gambe. Step back from the rail. Move back now.
Get back, quickly! Watch out!
Grab the railing and hold on tight.
Are you hurt? We'll get you up!
Hold on tight to the lifelines. Everyone move inside now. We can't hold on much longer.
This way to the stairs, quickly. What is happening? Are we safe?
Hold still, sir. It's secure now. We have to get inside. Quickly, move!
Auxiliary pumps engaged.
Keep turning. We're almost there.
Pressure stabilizing on line 4. Slash.
Hold the chain tight. Keep going tight. Keep moving up.
Don't let go. We're almost there, just a little further.
Secure the main cable now. We're losing the starboard davit.
I can't hold it. The deck is too slick.
Grab my hand, hold on tight, don't look down.
I'm slipping, I can't.
Lower away. Steady as she goes. Get in, quickly! Hold on, everyone. Hold on. Please help us. Brace, brace, brace. Heads down, stay down. Keep your seatbelts fastened.
Watch your step here, keep moving. We're almost at the exit. the override now. We're taking on too much water.
Engaging the main pump. Get clear!
We have to keep moving. Stay close and hold on tight.
I'm trying, but the current is strong here.
Hold it steady! I'm trying. Watch the deck!
One more step, you're almost there. Hold on tight. Don't let go of my hand.
Grab my hand. Come on, quickly. We need to get you both off this deck now.
Levels are fluctuating at intake 2. Reroute auxiliary pump.
Rerouting now. Pressure stabilizing. Grab the rail, hold on tight.
Watch out below! The containers are sliding!
Move it, we have to get uphill.
Grab the chain. It's slipping. Pull harder, we almost got it secured.
Hold the chain tight, everyone. Keep moving. Watch your step on the stairs. We are almost safe.
Hurry, 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 let's go.
Secure the clamp. Hurry. Vitals are dropping. Get him strapped down now. All right, everyone, quickly now, but stay calm. Fill every seat towards the front. We need to keep this moving efficiently. The structural integrity here is compromised.
My scan confirms the support beam is unstable at Sector 4.
We need to reroute immediately.
Here you go. This will help keep you warm. You're safe now. You're safe now.
Gracias a Dios. We are almost there. Keep the boats together.
Look at the stress fracture here. The whole section is compromised. We need to replace the entire segment, not just the fittings.
this is the bridge. Maintain course and speed.
Bridge, lifeboat 3 acknowledging. Standing by for recovery instructions.
Make sure all the chairs are aligned before we open.